Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Kikoff's credit monitoring tools. Alright, if you're wondering how to do that, this video is for you. Let's not waste any time, get straight into it. So first step is to log into your Kikoff account, and you can log into your Kikoff account on the mobile app, or you can do that on the website. And once you're logged into your account, you just want to click on credit monitoring tools. Now you're going to review the credit monitoring tools terms and conditions. That way you get better informed on what's going on, and also understand the type of credit monitoring tools that are available. There are a couple of them, so you can just go through that and have a better understanding of it. And you can review the credit monitoring tools frequency, and you can understand the credit monitoring tools alerts. These are all things you can do on that, so you can have the alerts. You can understand the credit frequency by just checking that out from the app. And you can also review and understand the credit monitoring tools exclusions and limitations. So you want to make sure that you go through that, and that's going to help you out a lot. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Kikoff's credit monitoring tools. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.